Breaking news from Ford. I want to get straight over to Phil LeBeau, who joins us with the details there. Phil.
Andrew, take a look at shares of Ford, which have had a heck of a run over the last week and a half. Well, this morning they're indicating a little bit higher. The company announcing that it plans to buy back up to $5 billion in debt. This will be done through a cash tender offer. They're going to be paying off some of the more expensive bonds that, by the way, they took out at the beginning of the pandemic. Remember back in March and April of last year, they needed to borrow a lot of money to make sure that they had some cushion. Well, they're going to be doing this. This is part of an ESG finance plan that the company is announcing. And the plan includes the potential for issuing potentially a $1 billion green bond. The company has not made a final decision on whether or not that will happen. It also plans on financing EV investments through this ESG finance plan, as well as funding clean manufacturing. All of this coming as the company sitting on $25.6 billion in debt. But before this announcement, more than $30 billion in cash. So they're putting some of that cash to use. What does Ford's finances, what's the state of them? Pretty good shape right now, and we're going to be talking with CFO John Lawler, first on CNBC, coming up this morning on Tech Check. We're going to talk not only about this cash tender offer, but more importantly, this ESG finance plan and how the company plans to use this financing as it increasingly is doing EV production and targeting clean manufacturing, going potentially carbon neutral by 2050. Guys, back to you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.